Hello everybody, this is Jacob of Nexus and I'm here at 10 Kent Street, Unit 1, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the living area. So living area and bedrooms all feature a hardwood flooring. Meanwhile, the entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint. Looks fantastic and very well done. You'll notice it throughout the entire walkthrough. Plenty of space in this living area for a couple different furniture setups. You got a couple of outlets for any electronics. And in this living area, you do have the front entryway to your unit. A couple of windows that give you great street views and some bright lighting in here. Awesome. So that is the living area. Let's flip around and check out the centralized kitchen. So, centralized kitchen area houses a new laminate wood flooring. It looks awesome. Again, fresh paint, and you have lots of entryways through here. It leads to the bedrooms, the bathroom. Also houses a private rear entryway and an additional entryway over there as well. Got lots of storage to use in this kitchen. This includes the cabinets around the sink and stove area. And you also have an additional pantry closet right over there in the corner. And even more cabinets right near the bathroom. Awesome. The appliances in this kitchen, of course, right away you'll notice you have the in-unit laundry housed in here. You also have the dual bin stainless steel sink, the 4-burner glass top stove and oven, and last but not least is the large size refrigerator. Awesome. So that is the kitchen area. Let's check out the 2 bedrooms. First we'll check out the bedroom to the left side. And again, both bedrooms house a hardwood flooring, fresh paint. This bedroom is particularly very spacious. You should be able to fit any size bed set in here, no problem at all. Full, queen, king, standard, whatever suits your needs, should be able to fit in here, no problem. Another quick note with this unit, you do have centralized heat throughout, so that of course helps with removing the clunkiness with some baseboards or radiators. And both bedrooms do house their own closet space for additional storage. Perfect. So that is the left side bedroom. Let's check out the right side. So here's the second bedroom. This bedroom's a little bit smaller than the first, but not by much. Should be able to fit a standard full or queen. I probably wouldn't go king for space, but again, queen, standard full should be able to fit just fine. Perfect. All right. Last but not least is the bathroom. Bathroom houses a laminate tile flooring. Got this small sink over here with a cabinet underneath for some storage, along with the mirror vanity up above. And you have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. All right, so once again, this is 10 Kent Street, Unit 1, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.